Peace and blessings. Welcome to Rita Be Creative. In today's video, we share the step-by-step installation of a beautiful smart code keyless door lock as part of our DIY slab door series, a spin-off from the walk-in closet tour where we shared an upgrade from the builder's grade entry door to a beautiful French glass door. So let's get started. This video is not sponsored. Check the description box below for more information as well as affiliate links. In the previous video, we cut our hole using a doorknob installation kit. If you missed that video, check the iCard or thumbnail link at the end of this video. Setting up a code on the keypad is not covered in this video, but the instructions are pretty easy and straightforward. If interested in an in-depth keypad programming tutorial, let us know in the comments section. We have one more video in this series, so stay tuned. Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and ye shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened unto you. Matthew 7, verse 7. We trust this video was useful. If so, please hit the like button. It's one of the many interactions that help the YouTube algorithm push the video out for others to see. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed.